This is one of the cobblestone streets, and it's a historical street. There's like all the streets used to be like this in Alexandria. There's not that many left, but it's pretty cool. This is just down the block from where I'm digging. The river's right up ahead, a couple blocks. There's an oyster shell on the ground and some bricks and just a whole lot of rubble all mixed up together. There's another huge oyster shell. And that's what the site looks like. Right over there they did a trench and Park out just found a bullet, I heard. And we'll start hunting with the new program. First signal, I just got a 91 and Deus fast. Locking on at 90, 91. There it is. It's a mercury dime. Yeah. Looks like a 43 mercury dime. I just dug this up. Nice high tone. I don't know if it's a coin or not. It's kind of light. Read about 92. I'm hunting in Deus fast. Just got this. Got a penny and a piece of junk. An old lock. Real nice high tone, and look at this. We got Colonial shoe buckle or knee buckle. It's huge. It's all intact. See where the part went across. Looks like it's got some plating on it. That's really cool. You don't find them you find all kinds of broken pieces normally, but this is from the 1700s. On this, I thought it was gold at first. I think it's just shiny brass. It's got a little pin thing on the back. Not sure what it is. Boy, barber dime. Can't see the date yet, but I just looked at it with my glasses, and it's 1895. Yeah, it's got this strange looking thing. It's down about a foot and a half. Maybe about a foot deep. Not sure what it is. There's that historic street right there. This is Washington Street. Stuff I found today. Only hunted for a couple hours and got this weird piece of brass. Pretty heavy. Got a stinking Lincoln and a weird piece of lead, almost like it had an attachment on the back. this piece of brass, not really sure what it is. I got this is brass. It might be a flat button, but I'm not sure. It's very thin, but it's not aluminum. It's brass. And I got this 1943 Mercury dime. Not bad shape. And I got this, turns out it's not an 1895, it's a 19050. It's kind of beat up, but I'll take it. And I got this, that's got a little bit of gilding on it. I'm not sure what that is. It's like part of a buckle or something. Not really sure. It has a little bit of gold gilding on it. And I like this. This is like a Colonial knee buckle. It's got a little bit of, you can see the gold on the edge there. I think there's some on this side too. That was pretty cool. So I hunted today, and Deus fast, and 17 kilohertz, and the machine ran a lot quieter on that site. I used 4 kilohertz yesterday, and I was getting a lot of falsing, but today I wasn't getting the falsing like I did yesterday. So I think that program made a difference on that site.